Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's a girl, Rosemary. Thank you for commenting and liking my videos as well as subscribing. In this video, you will learn how to braid butterfly braids in two ways. I will be using hair pudding to soften the hair and helping with neatening the lines. You can use a hair gel if you have one. I will also use hot water braids by Darling Color 2 as well as combs. So to pre-stretch, I'll just hold the hairpiece with one hand and then I'll use the other hand to stretch the hair, making sure that I do not stretch it too much because it's gonna end up tangling. So another thing to note is that I have a video where I did the whole process of pre-stretching from start to end. So if you would like to see that, it's linked on the description below. For me to have proper parting at the front, I start by dividing the front hair and back, then start sectioning accordingly at the back. I will then section according to the size of the braids I want, then apply the hair pudding or gel to neaten the lines, then start braiding. As I mentioned in the beginning of the video, I said I'm gonna be sharing two methods with you. So for the first method, I will divide the braiding hair into two. The first half will have more hair because the second will be doubled. The main aim here is to reduce the size of the knot. So I will take just one strand and rotate it around the natural hair, then start braiding or stitching while making sure that it's strong in the beginning. As always, I will also want to make sure that all the three strands are equal for me to have neat braids. Another trick here you can use is to hold the natural hair, then push the fiber towards the scalp. That's if you did not start the braid far enough. Also, ensure that you do not pull the hair too much. We don't want to lose the hair, so make sure that you don't pull it. Now, moving to the butterfly braids. While braiding, I will keep on pulling the braiding hair only on each side after braiding once or twice. In other words, I will be creating a loop or butterfly wings. You can choose how far apart you want them to be. Also, make sure that the loops or wings are not fluffy. I will continue pulling the hair to create loops and butterfly wings until I reach the second method, which I will show you just now. Oh, another important thing is that you are not going to pull the natural hair out, as that will show. And again, you also have to make sure that you hide it as always, so that you can have the cleaner braids or butterfly braids. Moving to the second method, so I'm just going to apply the hair pudding to soften the hair and create a sleek or nicer look of the braid. And then I will separate the braiding hair into three, then use one to start braiding by rotating it once, then braid. Again, here I'm also trying to reduce the knot. I will then feed in the other two sections, then start creating loops or butterfly wings while making sure that all the three strands are equal. Well, you can use this method if you do not want to do knotless braids, because here I figured out that it's gonna take me a lot of time because, you know, while we're busy pulling the hair, you're actually using more time. I will continue pulling the hair to create the loops and making sure that the natural hair is always hidden. And then I will then cut the hair ends using a scissor while making sure that I do not cut the wings. Ladies, please note that she spent less than 150 because you don't have to really buy expensive hair just to braid butterfly braids. So what she's gonna do is just to boil the hair whenever she feels like it's getting old at the ends. So she's just gonna keep boiling it. So yeah, you can really spend less money and then have the butterfly braids. Now that I'm done cutting the hair, I will then apply the hair mousse to lay everything in its place and give that shiny, neat look. And this is the final look. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, and share with other sisters who might want to learn. I will then see you in the next video. Bye bye.